Hello everyone. Today we discuss about chapter hydrocarbons, organic compound composed of C and H only called hydrocarbon. Main source of hydrocarbons are natural gas, petroleum and coal, alkane, saturated, alkene, alkyne, unsaturated, arene, aromatic, saturated, unsaturated, non-aromatic. Alkanes, hydrocarbon with single bond between two carbon atom. Hydrocarbon with single bond between two carbon atom. Acyclic CnH2n plus 2. Cyclic CnH2n. Preparations, reductions of alkyl halide except fluorides. Rx plus H2. ZnHCl RH plus HX. Hydrogenations of unsaturated hydrocarbon. CH2 double bond CH2 ethene plus H2 PTPDNI. ethane CH3 कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्लस कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रिजेंट PTPDNI. formations of ethane CH3 dihydrogen gas added to alkenes and alkynes in presence of finely divided catalyst like platinum, palladium or nickel to form alkanes. Wood's reactions: Rx plus 2Na plus XR in presence of dry ether RR plus 2NaX. Alkyl halides on treatment with sodium metals in dry ethereals, that is free from moisture. Solutions give higher alkanes. Used for preparations of higher alkanes containing even number of carbon atom. From carboxylic acid, decarboxylations, RCOONA plus NaOH reagent CaO 630 Kelvin RH plus Na2CO3. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid on heating with soda lime mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxides give alkanes containing one carbon atoms less than carboxylic acid. Process of elimination of carbon dioxide from carboxylic acid is known as decarboxylation. Now, coal-based electrolysis: 2RCOONA plus 2H2O. Electrolysis RR plus 2CO2 plus 2NaOH plus H2 प्लस H2 का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, प्लस H2 का फॉर्मेशन होगा। at anode 2RC double bond O minus acetate ion 2 electron 2RC double bond O lone pair acetate free radicals 2R free radical plus 2CO2 alkyl free radical और cathode H2O plus E minus OH minus plus H free radical 2H free radical H2 methane cannot be prepared by this method. Methane cannot be prepared by this method. Properties of alkanes: physical state C1 to C4 gases, C5 to C17 liquid, C18 to C infinite soft solid. All alkanes are colorless, odorless, insoluble in water, dissolve non-polar solvents. Boiling point increases with increasing molecular, decreases with increasing molecular mass, decreases with increasing branching. N-pentane greater than isopentane, isopentane greater than neopentane. Solubility: hydrophobic substance, insoluble in water, soluble in non-polar solvent. Hydrophobic substance, insoluble in water, soluble in non-polar solvent. Melting point: alkane with even number of C atoms are symmetrical and follow compacted solid, which result in high melting point. Sawtooth rule. Chemical properties: alkanes do not have any strong factor for their reactivity. They are quite less reactive and hence known as paraffins. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons and hence they can give substitution reactions via free radical mechanism, photochemical reactions. Alkanes are generally inert towards acid, base, oxidizing and reducing agent. That's why they undergo reactions with the certain conditions. Halogenations: the replacement of H atom of alkane by halogen atom is called halogenations. CH4 plus Cl2 Hb 520 to 670 Kelvin. CH3Cl Hb 520 to 670 Kelvin. CH2Cl2 Hb 520 to 670 Kelvin. CHCl3 Hb 520 to 670 Kelvin. CCl4. The rate of reactions of alkanes with halogen Fe2 greater than Cl2, Cl2 greater than Br2, Br2 greater than I2. Rate of replacement of hydrogen of alkanes is 3 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Fluorination is too violent to be controlled. Iodination is very slow and a reversible reaction. It can be carried out in the presence of oxidizing agent like HiO3 or HNO3. CH4 plus I2, CH3I plus Hi, CHiO3 plus 5Hi, 3I2 plus 3H2O. Mechanism: chain initiation step. XXHb 2x free radical, ClCl Hb 2Cl free radical. Chain propagation step. CH plus X free radical, C plus HX, C free radical plus XX, CX plus X. CH4 plus Cl free radical, CH3 free radical plus HCl, CH3 plus Cl, Cl, CH3 Cl plus C, Cl free radical. Terminations: X free radical plus X free radical, X2, C free radical plus C, CC, Cl plus Cl, Cl2, C free radical H3 plus C, Cl free radical, CH3Cl, CH3 C free radical plus CH3 free radical, CH3 CH3. Determinations of RDS. Let us consider the first step to be RDS, that is X2 X free radical plus X free radical. If this step would be the RDS reactivity order of the halogen, Cl2 is less, I2 is more. Cl2 less, more Br2, more F2 and more I2. Because the bond energy of XX bond follow the order, Cl2 इस order में Cl2 is more, I2 is less. Bond energy of XX bond follow the order, Cl2 is more, I2 is less. But in the practice, reactivity order of halogen is found to be I2 Br2 Cl2 F2. Let us consider the second step, that is first propagating step to be RDS. CH plus X free radical, C plus HX. A speed of this reaction decided by del H बराबर BE CH minus BE HX. The speed of this reaction is inversely proportions H. A speed of this reaction is inversely proportions del H. HF CH plus F free radical, C free radical plus HF, CH plus Cl free radical, C free radical plus HCl, then HBr, then HI. Del H increase because bond energy HX decrease. So the reactivity order of X2 should be I2 less F2 is greater, I2 Br2 Cl2 F2 is greater, F2 is greater Cl2 Br2 I2, I2 is less F2 is greater. Explosive Cl2 very fast, Br2 moderate, I2 does not reactions. Reactivity order of H of RH, CH X free radical, C free radical plus HX. Since the stability order of alkyl free radical is 3 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree, reactivity order of H should be 3 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree.